Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on VIVO Y19s. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to Settings. And now go to Google Assistant and then go to Hey Google and Voice Match. Click here to enable Hey Google feature and now go to More and Agree, then scroll down and click Agree and click Next. Then click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now click Next, and you can go back, then click on Lock Screen, and click Yes I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. Then you can go back and go back again. And now click on Gemini, and you have to scroll down and click Continue. Then scroll down and click Use Gemini. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to like and subscribe.